PUC2 Mic LEA is designed to connect your recording microphone, your speakers and your headphones with your computer. PUC2 Mic LEA stands out with a unique leveling technology developed by Yellowtec. Find out more about the LEA technology in a separate video. Easily integrate PUC2 Mic LEA into your workstation by connecting it to your computer via USB and to the external power supply. That means you don't need to use the yellow USB. PUC2 Mic LEA comes with 2 microphone inputs. You can monitor your recordings via headphones or speakers. PUC2 Mic LEA provides you with separate outputs for headphones and speakers. To switch between both alternatives, simply push the rotary control on the front panel. The rotary also allows you to control the volume directly on your PUC2 device. If your setup does not require a computer, feel free to use PUC2 Mic LEA as a standalone device, but make sure that you always use the external power supply.